"41 Rules of COLREG or International Regulation Preventing Collision at Sea", 1972. Part A, General. Rule number 1, Application. Rule number 2, Responsibility. Rule number 3, General Definition. Part B, Steering and Sailing. Section 1, Conduct of vessel in any condition of visibility. Rule number 4, Application. Rule number 5, Lookout. Rule number 6, Safe Speed. Rule number 7, Risk of collision. Rule number 8, Action to avoid collision. Rule number 9, Narrow channel. Rule number 10, Traffic separation scheme. Section 2, Conduct of a vessel in sight of one another. Rule number 11, Application. Rule number 12, Sailing vessel. Rule number 13, Overtaking. Rule number 14, Head-on situation. Rule number 15, Crossing situation. Rule number 16, Action by giveaway vessel. Rule number 17, Action by stand-on vessel. Rule number 18, Responsibilities between vessel. Section 3, Conduct of a vessel in restricted visibility. Rule number 19, Conduct of a vessel in restricted visibility. Part C, Light and shape. Rule number 20, Application. Rule number 21, Definition. Rule number 22, Visibility of lights. Rule number 23, Power-driven vessel underway. Rule number 24, Towing and pushing. Rule number 25, Sailing vessel underway and vessel under oar. Rule number 26, Fishing vessel. Rule number 27, Vessel not under command and vessel restricted in their ability to maneuver. Rule number 28, Vessel constrained in their draft. Rule number 29, Pilot vessel. Rule number 30, Anchored vessel and vessel aground. Rule number 31, Seaplane. Part D, Sound and light signal. Rule number 32, Definition. Rule number 33, Equipment of sound signals. Rule number 34, Maneuvering with warning signals. Rule number 35, Sound signals in restricted visibility. Rule number 36, Signals to attract attention. Rule number 37, Distress signal. Part E, Exemptions. Rule number 38, Exemptions. Part F, Verification. Part F, Verification of compliance with provision on the convection. Rule number 39, Definition. Rule number 40, Application. Rule number 41, Verification of compliance.